Hi there, this is English with Rick, and this time, here comes an English lesson about the words here and there. In some languages, here and there don't mean the same thing as they do in English. This lesson will help you understand how those two words are used. In English, here and there are generally used for location. Here is usually used for the space very near you, and there is used for spaces not near you. If you use these words incorrectly, people probably won't understand the location you're talking about accurately. As an example, if you say, Kyiv, I'm from here, people will probably not be sure if you are from Kyiv or from the place you are right now, if you're not in Kyiv right now. Picture somebody standing somewhere. The area close to them is described as here. The area far from them is described as there. Sometimes here means inside the house you are in. That is the area near you. There would be outside of the house. Now, if you're talking about the universe, the here could mean on Earth, and there could mean everywhere not on Earth. The words here and there don't always mean exactly the same thing each time they're used. Say the adverb here after me. Here. It usually refers to the place close by where the person speaking is, and other people and things are seen from the speaker's point of view. Like in the sentences, from here at the front of the class, I can see students. Or, when Mom comes home, tell her I'm up here. Say the adverb there after me. There. It usually refers to the place where the listener or another person is, and other people and things are seen from the listener's point of view. The word there is used for this purpose in sentences like, our daughter has always loved Montreal. She wants to go there to work. Where's my tea? It's there, next to you, on the little table. Try filling in the blanks in this sentence. I am blank and you are blank. Using the word here for one blank and there for the other, which word goes in each blank? Take as long as you need by pausing this recording. That sentence again is, I am blank and you are blank. I'll be back with the answer in a moment. The answer is here for the first blank and there for the second blank. So the sentence should be, I am here and you are there. When you want others to understand something from the speaker's or the writer's point of view, use the word here. When it's from the listener's or reader's point of view, use there. Here and there are often used with the words this, that, these, and those, like in these sentences. Are these shoes here yours? Or push that button there and the elevator will come. You will often also see here being used with bring and there being used with take. Bring your plate here and I'll give you some fries. Or, this package has to go to the mailroom. Would you take it there for me, please? Try filling in the blanks in these two sentences. The first sentence is, please blank your form here to the receptionist. The second sentence, please blank your form there after 2 p.m. Use the word bring for one blank and take for the other. Which word goes in each blank? Again, take as long as you need by pausing this recording. Those sentences again are, please blank your form here to the receptionist. The second sentence is, please blank your form there after 2 p.m. I'll be back with the answer in a moment. The answer is bring for the blank in the first sentence and take for the second blank. Please bring your form here to the receptionist. In the second sentence should be, please take your form there after 2 p.m. The word bring is normally used with the word here, and the word take is normally used with the word there. Here and there, those words can be used after prepositions like around, in, over, at, before, and after. You'll notice the words here and there in situations like in these sentences. Have you seen my wallet around here? Or, it's getting hot in here. Please open a window. Or, where is my husband? I see him over there on the bench. When here and there are used at the beginning of a statement, the subject and verb are inverted. Normally in English, the sentence order goes subject, verb, and then object, but that gets inverted when here is at the beginning of a sentence or a statement. In sentences like, here's the $10 I owe you. Or, here comes our teacher. We'd better ask her our questions now. Or, there's the store where I bought my phone. And, there goes Sue on a bike. I didn't know she had one. But when the subject is a pronoun, you don't invert the subject and verb. For the question, where's the can opener? The answer is, there it is on the counter. That's the correct way to answer. Do not answer like this, there is it on the counter. In a situation when you give something to someone, you can say, here you are, and there you are. Here and there mean the same thing in this case. Did you buy me a muffin? Yes. Here you are. Would you please pass me the butter? There you are. When you find something or meet someone you've been looking for, the format is here plus the subject pronoun plus be. It could also be there plus the subject pronoun plus be. And some examples of this are, has anyone seen my tablet? Here it is, by the stove.
There you are. Everybody has been looking for you.
Here I am. Let's see if you understand how to use here and there in the ways you just learned. Try filling in the blanks in these two sentences. The first sentence is, blank goes Fred on his scooter. And the second sentence is, blank comes the rain again. Use the word here for one blank and there for the other. Which word goes in each blank? Those sentences again. The first one, blank goes Fred on his scooter. The second sentence, blank comes the rain again. Pause this recording. I'll be back with the answers in a moment. The answer is there for the first blank, the one in the first sentence, and here for the blank in the second sentence. So the sentences should be, there goes Fred on his scooter. And in the second sentence, here comes the rain again. Try filling in the blanks in these two sentences. The first sentence is, have you still got my book? Yes, I have it right blank. And the second sentence is, blank's Ed. Let's go over to him and ask about Lou. Use the word here for one blank and there for the other. Which word goes in each blank? Those sentences again. The first one, have you still got my book? Yes, I have it right blank. The second sentence, blank's Ed. Let's go over to him and ask about Lou. Pause this recording. I'll be back with the answers in a moment. The answer is here for the first blank. the one in the first sentence, and there for the blank in the second sentence. So the sentences should be, have you still got my book? Yes, I have it right here. And there's Ed. Let's go over to him and ask about Lou. These answers make sense because there is mostly used when you're talking about something not near you or something moving away from you. Here is usually used when something is coming toward you or is close to you. So go there and come here are pairs of words that are used together all the time in English. You can use here to say who you are when you're on the phone or writing texts or emails.
Hi, Rick. Abby here. How are you?
Oh, hi, Abby. Fine, thanks. And how are you? Sorry for that interruption. Here and there are used in different English expressions, like it's neither here nor there. What that means is it doesn't matter. And where have you been? You could answer that question with, oh, here and there, which means lots of places. People often say there after hello and hi. Hello there. How are things? Hi there. Fine. How are you? You will often hear the very informal hi there used as a greeting. Really, you will. Listen to the beginning of this podcast again. You heard hi there. That's an informal greeting. An even more informal greeting is hey there. You also heard at the beginning of this podcast, this is English with Rick, and here comes an English lesson about the words here and there. That's an example of here being used at the beginning of a statement, and when you do that, the subject and verb are inverted. Here comes an English lesson instead of an English lesson is coming. An English lesson is the subject, and the verb is come, and they're inverted because here is at the beginning of the statement. If you would like a lesson with me about the words here and there, or any other English topic, send me an email at englishwithrick@gmail.com. Rick is spelled R-I-K. You can also check out English lesson videos on my YouTube channel, English with Rick.